people hear the word IT or informatics, most of them immediately picturing of someone in front of computer playing the code. And we mentioned that studying IT is just coding or programming, but is that really what it is? Hello, my name is Daffa Khoirul Jamil. My student ID is 15, 2022, and gender identical. And I'm a student of informatics. Today, I'd like to invite everyone to look beyond the stereotypes and see that studying IT is more than just coding. It's about solving problems and shaping the future using technologies. Let's begin by understanding what IT is really. What IT really is. IT or information technology refers to the use of computers to store, to access, and to transmit data. Yes, coding or programming is part of it, but it's only one piece of much of a bigger picture. The world of IT, including cybersecurity, data analysis, cloud computing, UI/UX, and project IT management. If IT were a big tree, coding is just one of many branches. First, we have cybersecurity. Experts in this protect our data and digital system from cyber attacks. For example, they make sure your online transactions are secure. Expert in this field is focusing more on risk analysis and digital ethics than on writing code. Next, we have UI/UX designers. UI/UX designers which deal with how application looks and feels. Have you ever wondered why Instagram and Shopee are easy to use, or we easy to use the application? That's thanks to UI/UX designers who study our user behavior and digital design experience that are smooth and intuitive. UI/UX designer doesn't always need to know how to code. And we have data analysis. Data analysis. IT in this area helps identify patterns in large amount of information. Applications like Shopee. How does Shopee knows what items are trending right now? Or how does Netflix shows a show that you might like? That's thanks to them studying data. And we also have cloud computing. Thanks to cloud computing, it allows us to store and access data online. Services like Google Drive and iCloud wouldn't be possible without cloud engineers. Without cloud engineers who build and maintain large-scale systems that support millions of users. Next. And let's not forget about project management. Well, they may not write code. They are essential in leading teams, managing timelines, ensuring projects are completed successfully. This shows us that IT also wonders for people who are more interested in organizing, managing, and communicating than in technical tasks. In our daily life, we interact with IT constantly. Apps like Gojek, Grab, and Google Maps are developed by large teams that included developers, designers, data analysis, and network engineers. Without IT, much of modern life will simply stop. So, in conclusion, studying IT is not just about learning how to code. It's about understanding technology, works, and using it to improve the world around us. Whether it's through cybersecurity, design, data, and communicating. So, if everyone ever say that IT is just about programming, we can confidently say, actually, studying IT is much more than that. Thank you for listening. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.